same smell like the one that I had tasted in Qatar.
It's actually quite sweet, like my girlfriend.
This is excellent. So it's highly recommended from my part.
Okay. I could do it. It's kind of spicy actually. It is funny.
C'est un goût un peu pâteux en bouche, mais ça fond bien dans la bouche, donc c'est très bon.
It's surprisingly good.
C'est bon.
Weiß nicht.
What do you think about it? What does it taste like?
I don't know.
It's sweet and very delicious.
Oh, Alter.
Good Malaysian durian.
Yeah.
It's not really good. No.
I very like it.